Tired of switching between multiple computers with different keyboards, mice, and monitors? Meet the USB KVM Switcher, a simple solution for managing multiple PCs from one convenient setup. With quick switching between connected computers, you can share your keyboard, mouse, display, and USB peripherals without constantly reconnecting cables. It's ideal for home offices, workstations, gaming setups, and professional environments. If you want a cleaner desk and a more efficient way to control multiple computers, this KVM switcher could be exactly what you need. Stay tuned to see how it works. Number 5. 8K KVM Switch 2 monitors, 2 computers. Description: upgrade your workspace with the iDock B10 8K KVM Switch, designed to help you manage 2 computers with 2 monitors from a single setup. It's a practical solution for multitasking, office work, content creation, gaming, and professional workstations. The docking station supports 8K display output, 100W USB-C charging, and Ethernet connectivity, helping reduce cable clutter while keeping your devices connected. Key features: 8K KVM Switch for 2 computers. Supports dual monitor setups. Compatible with laptop and desktop computers. 100W USB-C charging support. Ethernet connectivity. Number 4. Unnlink 8K 60Hz HDMI KVM Switch. Description: upgrade your workspace with the Unnlink 8K 60Hz HDMI KVM Switch, designed to let you control and share one monitor, keyboard, mouse, and other USB devices between 2 computers. Switch between connected PCs conveniently without repeatedly unplugging your peripherals. With support for 8K resolution at 60 Hz, HDMI connectivity, and USB 3.0, this KVM switch is suitable for office work, gaming, multimedia, and professional setups. It also supports HDR and 3D video, helping deliver an enhanced viewing experience with compatible equipment. Key features: Unnlink HDMI KVM Switch. Supports 2 PCs with 1 monitor. Up to 8K resolution at 60 Hz. USB 3.0 connectivity. Number 3. 4K at 60 Hz HDMI 2x1 KVM Switch. Description: simplify your workspace with this 4K at 60 Hz HDMI 2x1 KVM switch, designed to connect 2 PCs or laptops to one monitor and easily switch between them. It also features 4 USB ports, allowing you to share compatible peripherals such as a keyboard, mouse, printer, and other USB devices. With support for 4K resolution at 60 Hz, this KVM switch delivers clear and smooth video when used with compatible devices and cables. It's a practical choice for home offices, workstations, gaming setups, and multitasking environments. Key features: 4K at 60 Hz HDMI KVM switch. Supports 2 computers with 1 monitor. HDMI 2x1 switch design. 4-port USB connectivity. Share keyboard. Number 2. 2 PCs to 1 monitor USB Switch Selector with USB hub for keyboard. Description: simplify your computer setup with this 2-port 4K HDMI KVM switch, designed to connect 2 computers to 1 monitor and switch between them conveniently. It allows you to share your keyboard, mouse, and other compatible USB devices between both computers. With 4K HDMI support, this KVM switch is suitable for everyday office work, home computing, gaming, and multitasking. The built-in USB hub helps keep your essential peripherals connected while reducing cable clutter on your desk. Key features: 2-port HDMI KVM switch. 2x1 HDMI input-output configuration. Connect 2 computers to 1 monitor. Supports up to 4K video. Number 1. 0 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 2 Switch Selector with controller. Description: simplify your multi-computer setup with the NavSecure USB-C KVM switch, designed to let up to 4 computers share 4 USB devices through a single switch. Easily switch connected peripherals such as keyboards, mice, storage devices, and other compatible USB equipment between different PCs or laptops. With USB 3.2 Gen 2 and speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, this USB switch is designed for fast data transfer and efficient peripheral sharing. The included controller provides convenient switching without having to reach behind your computer setup. Key features. NavSecure USB-C KVM Switch. Supports up to 4 computers. Share 4 USB devices between computers. USB 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity. Data transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second.